Now I'll be able to join you because
Yeah, you gotta learn.
yeah, because
Come on.
I see why people like it.
It's
Why
so good.
why it's so much fun.
See, look, you go.
Is the breaking part of that thing. Oh,
Yeah, it's worth.
I guess I should put them in here.
Yes.
So
it's
what
like-
about these little ones?
you eat it?
Ah,
Why are you doing that?
oh yeah, the little ones actually break so easy.
That's why I said I don't know why you're
Yeah.
being a baby. You're being a scaredy cat.
Oh my god.
Ugh, that's too hard. No, with the,
I enjoy
with the crabs, it's like worth the
So
work. You do the work and then you get all that meat and it's like
I guess I see why it's fun.
satisfying.
I see why people like it.
It's very satisfying. Should I eat this one? So, you see where the eyes are?
Yeah.
So you gotta pull it and then you open it. Where's the thing? You like open it right in the, right here. My dad showed me how to do this, so I gotta find it.
While you find it, I'm gonna find
Oh,
the
there it is.
sausage.
There it is. I think. I don't even know. Ugh, in the meantime, we can just eat the legs.
Mm-mm. You eat the legs, huh?
Yes.
Mm-mm.
What do you mean?
I'm not gonna go to the legs. You stop right there.
Why can't you eat the legs?
Thank you.
Would you rather see the face of this bigger one? Like, think about it. The little ones are a lot less threatening.
What do you mean the face?
Like, this
Uh-huh.
is huge on that. And on this one.
Yeah, I'm glad I'm not
'Cause
seeing
it has
the face.
bigger legs.
I'm glad I'm not seeing the face, but I will not eat those legs though.
Why?
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
It has a lot of meat in it. Not in the legs, but in the center. Look, it still has meat in it. It's little meat, but meat is meat. So,
I'm so full.
I don't know why you're saying that.
I see you're almost done with that thing.
No, it's
With the
supposed to
seafood
be.
boil.
We're supposed to be almost done, but it seems like I'm the only one eating.
I was so hungry, like I really just couldn't wait to eat that.
Oh my gosh, I gotta.
But it's good. I experienced, you know.
No, we're
I
not.
got some experience. Now I know you have to the way you have to break it.
We're not done.
The corn is
experiencing.
great.
Oh, I think it might be here.
This is
Look,
the
look,
part
look.
I need.
Ready?
I'm not sure. I'm not gonna eat that one. I literally, I'm so sorry. Like literally.
These are the gills, I think. These things. That's, I think, the eggs, if it's a girl. I'm not entirely sure. But there's gills. But you don't eat this.
Okay.
Or what are they called? They're called something fingers. These are the something fingers.
Help out, please help out. She said there's something fingers.
They're called
So,
fingers. I forget what
I
they're
can
called.
help you out.
But you don't eat any of this crap. You see? But do you see?
Oh, you take
see
all that
this
stuff out?
This is all the meat.
Or you take all what's outside and then you leave that. You see, I grew up in a landlocked country, Botswana. It's dry. I
Look, here
never
we go. See,
really
there's
ate
the
this
meat.
stuff.
Look. You want it? Here.
I'm just gonna like taste just a little bit. Let's see.
Why do you have to? This meat.
Help me out.
People say blue crab is the most flavorful crab.
Let me see.
Why are you so scared, cat? It's literally dead.
It's dead. Don't even say it.
Yeah, it's the same thing with the fish. Here. Ew, why are you eating it like that?
I'm sorry.
Eat the whole
Because I
thing.
just saw it before you take everything out.
Yeah, you live in a country where you used to kill the goat, eat it, kill the chicken, skin it. So this
It was, I guess, normal. This is not normal for me.
this should be the same
And
thing.
but you know, let me tell you some funny story though. Like when it came to killing the goat, I mean killing the chicken. our mother used to say, "Oh, okay, you gotta chase the chicken." We'll all chase the chicken, but when it gets to holding it, I stop, which means the chicken keep
Flew
going.
away?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I'll let somebody hold it.
No, you gotta like grab
And
one.
the funny part is that, what's the funny part is, then you'll take the chicken.
And then you have to
Either
feather
you
it.
put it on the, no, it's still alive.
Oh yeah, you gotta break its neck.
Yeah, we didn't break the neck. Breaking the neck was too much for me. I would rather like, we put it on either something or, let me say, like some wood.
And
So the other person would hold it.
And you take a knife.
Yeah, and then I'll take the axe and just
An
axe it.
axe?
Yeah.
What?
You know what an axe is?
Yeah, an axe is that big thing that you go.
Exactly. It's
Why
easy.
are you using that big thing for such a little
Because
chicken?
you kill it all at once. Like,
What, like 5 chickens in a row?
Like,
you put
no,
their
no,
necks
no.
up and then you go axe.
you are being funny. No.
This
You
girl
just
got
say,
no
"Gotch!"
clue. No
And
clue
then
at
the
all.
What's
head
that?
goes there, the
what-
body goes there, and be like, "Do, do, do, do."
Okay, what's that
Oh
noise
my
again?
god, I used to just get traumatized a little bit
What's the
about
noise
that.
called again?
Which noise?
The one with the axe. Do it again.
Said you say, and then it
No, that's
says
not what
this-
you did. You went, gotch!
And when it's like that, after that, then the body will be like, "Do, do, 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 do."
Isn't that even more scarier than actually having to kill it? Is letting the body run around without a head?
No, I mean somebody else, the other person will be holding it. But I used to just like the exim part. I didn't want to hold it at all.
So you liked to
And
kill
then
the chickens?
I like to
Isn't that
cut with the X.
that's a scary trait to have? Isn't
It's
it?
not what you are thinking.
It is
now.
what I'm thinking.
If people, the chicken you eat every day, how do they kill it? I don't know how they kill it, but I'm trying to tell you how we kill it because you are the one who first talk about this versus killing the chicken.
Yeah. I
But-
guess I should have gotten an axe out.
You being funny. Alright. You wouldn't understand because you didn't live that life.
Yeah, I didn't live in a landlocked country.
That's why you can open that stuff up.
Auntie, there's another one. You can do it. I believe in you. Go for it.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
No, I'd rather go for this one.
No, come on, do it.
No,
Come on.
I just cannot do it.
Come on, come on,
just,
come on.
Like, I'm
Shouldn't
so
she
full.
open it? Shouldn't she open it? She should open it.
I'm full.
Come on.
Like literally.
Come on. You gotta do it. You gotta do it.
You wanna eat this?
See right there? You gotta open it. Come on.
This one here.
Mm-hmm.
Open here?
Yeah. Remember how I did?
No, I can't.
Come on.
I am full. Like
No, I'll eat it.
let's do this.
No, you gotta do it.
No, that's the most scariest thing. I don't
No,
know.
I'm serious.
I mean, please excuse me, the people who eat.
She did it.